Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a needle with an eye that matches your thread thickness. This reduces frustration. Once chosen, cut the thread at a sharp 45-degree angle to form a precise point and wet it lightly so fibers stick together. Position the needle vertical with the eye toward you or secure it in a clamp. This stabilizes the target and keeps your hands free. You want a steady reference point, so make sure lighting is good and your dominant hand is ready to guide the thread. Now, pinch a short 3 to 5 millimeter tip of the cut thread between your thumb and forefinger to create a firm, tiny point. This prevents spreading. Once done, align the thread and needle in the same visual plane and use short, steady motions to bring the tip directly to the eye. Don't sweep across. If you prefer tools, hold the thread with fine tweezers and steady the needle with a clamp or second hand. This control lets you react to tiny misalignments without losing the tip. To finish, gently push the pointed tip through the eye and pull about 2 to 3 centimeters through to give yourself working length. This prevents the thread from slipping back out. Once threaded, tie a small knot or secure it depending on your project so the thread stays put. If the thread frays or resists, stop and recut the tip at 45 degrees or apply a tiny dab of clear glue. This firms the end and makes reinsertion far easier. Make sure the glue dries before sewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.